Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever noticed how some people always seem to look polished and put together no matter what or where they are? The interesting thing is that they don't necessarily have bigger wardrobes or spend hours getting ready. In most cases, they simply follow a few style rules and style habits that make getting dressed easier. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest ways to look put together every day without making fashion feel complicated. The first secret is wearing clothes that actually fit properly. No matter how expensive an outfit is, it won't look its best if the fit is off. So clothes that fit comfortably and flatter your shape instantly make you appear more polished. And the second tip is to build your outfits around versatile basics. Some people, simple pieces like, tailored trousers, well-fitting jeans, neutral top, blazers, midi skirts, classic dresses make it much easier to create stylish outfits each and every day.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much. What is it with time? Why can't we unwind? And all the hurt we deal with, I wanna leave my cares behind.
Another important habit is choosing a cohesive color palette. When your wardrobe contains colors that work well together, mixing and matching becomes effortless. So neutral shades like black, white, beige, navy, gray, soft earth tones make outfit planning much easier. So let's talk about shoes. So many people focus on clothing but do forget that shoes can completely change the look of an outfit. Clean, well-maintained shoes instantly make your appearance feel more polished. Accessories also do matter. You don't need a lot of them. A simple necklace, a watch, a structured handbag, or a pair of elegant earrings can make even a basic outfit look intentional. And another easy way to look put together is paying attention to grooming. Neat hair, wrinkle-free clothing, small details often have a bigger impact than following the latest fashion trends. Layering can also elevate simple outfits. A blazer, cardigan, lightweight jacket, or a structured coat can add depth and sophistication without much effort. And one common mistake people make is buying too many trendy pieces. So while trends can be fun, timeless, staples are usually the foundation of a wardrobe that always looks polished. It's also helpful to plan outfits ahead of time. Even spending a few minutes the night before, can save time and reduce stress in the morning. Perhaps the biggest secret of all is just simplicity. Many stylish people aren't wearing complicated outfits. They're simply wearing clothes that fit well, coordinate nicely, and suit their lifestyle. Looking put together isn't about having the most clothes or following every fashion trend. It's about focusing on the basic, paying attention to details, and just choosing outfits that make you feel confident. When you build a wardrobe around pieces that you love and wear them with confidence, looking polished becomes so much easier. And that's the real secret to looking effortlessly put together every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you on the next one.